SIPS 2022 will be having a symposium on advanced sustainable iron and steel making, which is dedicated to the lifetime achievements of Joseph Poveromo, who is from Materials Ironmaking Global Consulting in Bethlehem, United States. Professor Joseph Poveromo will be taking a look at the evolution of iron-making raw materials. Chris Barrington will talk about DRI and the pathway to carbon-neutral steelmaking, and the iron ore challenges. Dr. Florian Congoli will speak about FLOGEN, an integrated design, decision-making, control, optimization, and automation system for iron ore management and blast furnace processes, as well as control and optimization of iron silicon manganese alloy production through FLOGEN system. Yakov Gordon will be speaking about rising and failure of gas-based direct reduction processes, modernization of DRI shaft furnaces, to enhance process performance and improve product quality, as well as influence of irregularity of hot metal and slag tapping on blast furnace performance. Andrei Dmitriev will talk about calculations of the cohesion zone in a blast furnace, taking into account the metallurgical characteristics of iron ore materials. Vishwajit Seal will take a look at banking and revival of E&AMP, blast furnace of Tata Steel. Dario Paluzzi will be speaking about sustainable direct reduced iron, with EnergyIron technology. Yoshie Kato will speak about mass transfer rate between different phases, related to suspension pattern of light, or heavy density of solid, and liquid, in a mechanically stirred vessel. Dr. Martin Pei will talk about SSAB's accelerated transformation to fossil-free steel, with a hybrid technology. Zueliang Yuan will speak about integrated assessment of sintering flue gas ultra-low emission treatment technologies, of the iron and steel industry. Taichi Murakami will talk about effective ash component in platy coke, on melting behavior of iron. Hala Ching will speak about the production and application of low silica self-flux pellets in Shaogong Jingtang. Kobus Verugdenberg will talk about relating physical and metallurgical properties of Kumba lump ore to the behavior and processes. Jacques Muller will speak about evaluating Kumba lump ore performance in a blast furnace burden. Tateo Usui will be talking about the state-of-the-art gas carburizing method of solid steel for minimizing both hydrocarbon use and CO2 emission by selective removal of hydrogen from the furnace. Yutaka Ujisawa will take a look at Course 50 project for innovative iron-making technology development using hydrogen. Renard Chenyo will be speaking about hydrogen in the blast furnace or DRI as a curse or blessing towards sustainable iron-making. Maria Parfanova will talk about new variants of TX diagram with 3 allotropes of iron. Vasily Lutsyk will be talking about verification of TXY diagrams on the boundary of iron nickel cobalt copper sulfur system. Michał Książek will speak about bio-coke for manganese alloy production. Paulo Assis will talk about a vision of iron and steel production, without coal and coke. Alex Campos will be taking a look at the future of the steel industry, with less greenhouse gases emissions. Raquel Coria will speak about integrated systems for byproducts and waste management, in the steel plant. Mary Cecilia Gomez Marroquin will talk about characterization of Brazilian LD sludges. Koji Saito will speak about current status and future perspective of Japanese iron-making technology, for an environmental solution. Ritesh Mishra will be talking about productivity improvement of large blast furnace, at Jindal Steel and Power. Neil Goodman will be taking a look at pathways to sustainable steelmaking, using the HI smelt iron-making technology. Ben Ellis will be speaking about top gas recycling with hydrogen, as a strategy to reduce blast furnace CO2 emissions. Sergei Filatov will talk about implementation of BF technology, with co-injection of natural gas and PCI. Be sure to attend SIPS 2022, as all these symposia focus on current topics, which are important when regarding sustainability and sustainable development.